Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be... oh, there we go, on the third page right here. So once you find your hotspot, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where we can customize things like the password, which by default it is... oh, that's a lengthy password and completely random, as you can see. So I'm just gonna completely remove this one and set up my own. It does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now, SSID will be the name of the network, so if you want to, you can change it, or you can keep it as it is, completely up to you. And then besides that, we also have the select AP band, so we have to choose between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So you can choose whichever one you want. With disclaimer, 5 gigahertz won't be used by every device. Some older devices will not support it. And just to also clarify for the people that don't know what this is, the 5 gigahertz here only refers to Wi-Fi and not the actual mobile networking. So this device, I believe, does have 5G capability. So Wi-Fi wise, 5G is completely and entirely different, and it's a far older technology than what you have as just a mobile network right now. Anyway, once you have set it all up, make sure you save it by tapping on a check mark, and from there you can simply turn it on from here or using the toggle right over here. Now right now it's on, so if I tap on it again, I will turn it off. And additionally, you do want to turn it off once you're done with it, because it will be consuming more of your battery, and if you're not using it, then there is really no point for it to run in the background. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.